Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Myself, Sandeep Padari. My dear students, if you are a college going student, you might be in second year or third year or final year. So, most of the students have this question: how to manage the time during the gate preparation and college time. So, my dear students, definitely more time for gate preparation will help you to achieve a single digit rank or a rank below 100. So, for this, we have a strategic move. I'll be telling the first point is how to create a detailed schedule. Suppose see students, most of the students might have a doubt when to start the gate preparation. Definitely after completing the second year, it is the best time to start gate preparation. And let me tell you one important thing. Whenever you are preparing for gate along with the college or university exam, you can save 1 year of time. It is a lot for you when you achieve good positions in your career. So first of all, we'll discuss about creating a detailed schedule. Sir, what do you mean by creating a detailed schedule? Means how do you allocate? Suppose if you are a completed second year and you are from a mechanical or civil, you should allocate some time for engineering mechanics and strength of materials. So my dear students, you have to strategically move which subject I have to select, because in that semester if you are studying strength of materials, the same subject if you are preparing for gate, both like you are preparing for gate means you are already preparing for the university exam. So you have to pick the subjects in such a way that it is common for the university exams and for the GATE exam, because almost all the subjects will be there for GATE exam. So if you are studying second year, better take like engineering mechanics or strength of materials. If you are in third year in civil engineering, you can take geotechnical engineering. So you should be smart in picking the subjects, and remember you have to select the subjects with highest weightage. And also my dear students, let me tell you, even after completing first year, better do good preparation for aptitude and engineering mathematics. Even for any technical exam or any campus interviews, aptitude plays a very vital role. So in the second year also you can prepare taking only two subjects, mainly focusing on engineering mathematics and aptitude. So it differs from person to person. You can say you can allocate 2 hours of your time every day for gate preparation regarding the schedule. Now, my dear students, setting realistic goals. So, what do you mean by realistic goals? Sir, here I can prepare GATE in 90 days. It can't be done, sir. It is a kind of revision. So, to prepare for GATE, it requires 600 to 800 hours of preparation. So you have to divide these 8 hours. How do you allocate? Suppose if you are having summer occasion, you are having Diwali occasion. So in that days, you have to plan more time. Similarly, here I have given you an example. Break down the entire gate preparation into a manageable task. Like if you are talking about geotechnical or any subject, networks in EC, or if you talk about machines in the electrical. So you have to divide in chapter wise, like that you have to into manageable tasks. Like in this week I'll complete this chapter, such as completing practice problems. So my dear students, when do you say that a subject is completed is once you are done with the previous year gate questions, once you are done with the short notes and formula sheet, and also you have to plan some time for revision. So whenever you're keeping realistic goals, suppose if you are having a 12 months preparation, in at least in 6 months you have to achieve 50% of the gate preparation along with the revision. So you have to make the task into like a small task where you can accommodate or where you can analyze yourself at every week. Next point I would like to tell you is prioritizing the task efficiently. Suppose in GATE, my dear students, engineering, maths and aptitude, you will be getting 25 marks. In civil engineering, if you talk about like geotechnical, transportation and environmental, 30 marks will be coming. If you read 5 subjects, you will be getting 55. Similarly, if I talk about mechanical, you think about like engineering, maths and aptitude are common for every branch, like 25 marks. If you more focus on like production or thermal, still you will get 30 marks. Similarly, in EC also, you will have subjects like networks, signal systems, where you can easily score. And coming to computer science like digital, or you can say computer organization or compiler design, if you focus on these subjects, like focusing on 5 subjects where you can get 50 marks. I'll tell you simply, based on the complexity of the subject, based on the time allocation, you have to plan the subject. And definitely, my dear students, if you are getting 50 marks, you will have high chances to get into NIT. So first you have to have a like goal, like prioritizing set first for NIT, next we will go for IIT, next we will look for ISC, then we will look for PSUs. Like that you have to prioritize your tasks and how you have to be. Like some students might be very want to do their MTech from prestigious college like MTech in IIT Madras or IIT Bombay or ISC. In that case, their goal should be different. Their prioritization is different. Some people might be looking for PSUs. In that case, like 75 marks is the mandatory mark to get into PSU. So they have to set their goals according to their prioritization. Similarly, my dear students, utilizing the resources wisely. So my dear students, most of the people, like if you are preparing third year, most people think that why GATE coaching is required. I'll tell you simple things, students. See, you might have already standard books, but you have to have a concise book. Like if you want to study geotechnical, I'll tell you, we have 3 4 authors like Gopal Ranjan, Aurora, like that. But still you should have a consolidated notes. And for this to read, suppose properties of soil, or if you talk about engineering mechanics like simply equilibrium equations, you might take 3 hours. But once you attend the coaching, like which concepts you have to make high prioritization, or how can like suppose if you have taken 3 hours when you once you are studying in self study, you can reduce to 2 hours once you go to the GATE coaching. So my dear students, when I talk about the utilizing the resources wisely, taken advantage of college resources like library, study groups and faculty governance for both academic and GATE preparation. And definitely see students, once you are not doing once you are allocated for self study, in that case the time allocation will be more. And the major mistake what comes here is in which areas you have to focus more. Like suppose if you talk about mechanical engineering, in production, welding and casting, if you focus more, there might be more questions this year. So based on the analysis of the previous 25-year GATE questions, we'll come to one conclusion. That is the reason if you see in IMS GATE Academy, the previous year GATE question booklet is one of the prestigious book, because we have provided the key pointers, we have provided the alternative solutions. So this way the GATE coaching might help you. And coming to the practice self-care, and remember my dear students, wherever you have to have a adequate sleep, you have to have a healthy meal, and you have to have a mental relaxation, and everything for both college or university, you should be able to be relaxed. So my dear students, let me conclude in this way. If once you are going to college, better the time is to prepare for GATE preparation is you have to start from third year. If you are starting from second year, focus only on engineering, maths and aptitude. Again and again I am telling you, suppose in third year if you are having subjects like geotech, in CS you have compiler design, in mechanical you have production. So what is the common subject for GATE preparation which is having highest weightage, and based on that pick up that subject and read to the very much, it means I mean to say in a depth knowledge. Because in GATE the basic difference between university and GATE is, in GATE the question seems to be very simple once you had preparation, but without preparation it will be very complicated. So that is the reason I'm telling you, you have to prepare your own short notes and you have to write your key pointers. So this is all about how to manage your time while going with the college and the further GATE preparation. And usually what happens with GATE preparation, most of the students, that is the reason, usually Saturday Sunday they go for the coaching, and in the Monday to Friday they manage with the just revising. So in that way also you can manage. Now coming to IMS GATE Academy, what we do at IMS GATE Academy. My dear students, if I talk about IMS GATE Academy, we provide 800 plus hours of GATE coaching. It can be online, offline or self-recorded sessions. And remember my dear students, we provide theory book, exercise book, subject-wise material. In addition to this, we provide GATE question booklet of 34 years previous year GATE solutions. And remember my dear students, we have alternative solutions, we have key pointers, and we are also providing the QR code or the recorded questions for the difficult level questions in the GATE. And my dear students, you have to test yourself at every junction of your time. Like if you are preparing for chapter wise, you will have chapter test. Once your subject is done, you will write for subject wise test. And once the multiple subjects are done, you will be writing multiple subject test. And remember, we will have advanced level test also. And the most important thing is we are providing all India mock tests of 12 where you can practice as if in a GATE environment for a duration of 3 hours with 65 questions. In addition to this, let me tell you, my dear students, the most important and key pointer for success of the students is we at IMS GATE Academy are providing one-to-one mentorship. We are providing 12 mentorship sessions where we will be discussing the complete roadmap for the year, and we will identify the student weakness and how the weakness can be converted into strength. And suppose if you are facing any doubts, you can post the doubts in the doubt solving portal, and the doubts will be resolved within 24 hours of time. And we have the education advisor Mr. Rehman sitting at Jayanagar, and we also have center at Milleshwaram, we have center at Vijayawada. These are the 3 offline centers, and we are also providing the online coaching. We have the weekend batch and weekday batch also. You can look into the contact numbers, and these are the contact numbers where you can connect our education advisor Rehman. I hope this video will help you to understand how to manage the time along with the GATE preparation. Again and again, my dear students, take the common subject which is with the semester exam and GATE preparation. Thank you and all the best.